Today I'm going to show you how to download a game on GOG step by step using the GOG app so you can get your own games installed quickly and easily. This is a simple process, but if you've never used GOG before, I'll walk you through every step so you know exactly what to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open the GOG app on your computer. Once it loads, you'll see the main interface with your library and menu options. On the left side of the screen, click Owned Games. This will bring up all of the games that are currently linked to your GOG account. Now browse through your library and select the game you want to download. You can click on the game title or cover art to open its details page. Once the game is selected, look at the top menu and click Install. This is the option that starts the download and installation process. After that, GOG will ask you to choose your download location. Pick the folder where you want the game files to be saved. This is useful if you want to keep your games organized on a specific drive or storage location. Next, select your preferred game language. If the game supports multiple languages, this step lets you choose the one you want before installation begins. Once everything looks good, click Install to begin downloading the game. GOG will now start preparing the files and installing the game to your selected location. Depending on the size of the game and your internet speed, this may take a few minutes or longer. After the install finishes, you'll be able to launch the game directly from the GOG app or from your computer. And that's it. You now know how to download a game on GOG in just a few clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more clear, beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.